Epson EH-LS970B Premium Ultra Short Throw 4K Home Projector. The Epson EH-LS970B is a flagship ultra short throw, used home projector designed to bring an immersive, large-screen viewing experience into your living space. It combines advanced imaging technology, powerful built-in smart features, and premium audio to deliver cinema-quality entertainment without the need for a traditional TV. Stunning picture quality, this projector uses Epson's 3-chip 3LCD technology, which delivers vibrant, accurate colors and bright images with no distracting color wheel artifacts common on other systems. It supports real 4K resolution with over 8.3 million pixels on the screen, thanks to advanced pixel shifting technology, giving you sharp and detailed visuals for movies, sports, and games. With a color and white brightness of 4,000 lumens and an exceptional 5,000,000:1 contrast ratio, the EH-LS970B produces bright, punchy pictures with deep blacks and lifelike detail, even in moderate room lighting. It also supports HDR10 and HLG formats for enhanced contrast and color range. Ultra-short throw design, unlike traditional projectors that need several meters of space, the EH-LS970B can produce a massive image up to 150 inches diagonally from just centimeters away from the wall. This ultra-short throw setup makes it ideal for living rooms, media rooms, or areas where space is limited but a large picture is desired. Smart features and connectivity. Built-in Google TV gives you direct access to thousands of streaming apps like Netflix, YouTube, Amazon Prime Video, Disney Plus, and more, so you can watch your favorite content without extra devices. The projector also has Google Assistant support for voice control convenience. Connectivity options include multiple HDMI ports with EARC support, USB ports, wireless networking, and Bluetooth. These make it easy to connect gaming consoles, media players, laptops, and other devices. AI-enhanced picture processing. Epson has incorporated advanced AI image processing to improve picture clarity and realism. Features like AI super resolution sharpen fine details, while perceptual quantizer and scene adaptive tone enhancements help optimize brightness, contrast, and color on a scene-by-scene basis. Built-in high-quality audio. Audio performance is enhanced with an integrated Bose-tuned 2.1-channel speaker system delivering up to 20 W of total sound power. Dolby audio support ensures rich, room-filling sound without needing external speakers for everyday viewing. Easy setup and long-life laser light source setup is simplified with the Epson Setting Assistant app, which uses your mobile device's camera to automatically adjust the projection geometry for a perfect image fit. The solid-state laser light source provides up to 20,000 hours of virtually maintenance-free operation, plus instant on-off functionality. Additional features: low input lag, suitable for casual gaming and entertainment, frame interpolation and auto-contrast enhancement for smoother motion and richer detail, multiple color and sound modes to tailor performance to content type, 3-year warranty for peace of mind.